Ava Foley is a talented American child star known for her work as a dancer, actress, model, and social media influencer. She rose to prominence through collaborative content with her best friend, Everleigh Soutas, captivating audiences with her charm, fashion sense, and dance skills. Her family also runs a YouTube channel called All in the Foley Fam, which has over 1 million subscribers, and Ava has her own channel named Ava Marie Official. Ava began dance classes alongside Everleigh, honing skills that led to competition successes, including third place in the 5 to 8 solos category at the Move Nationals dance competition. She has appeared on TV shows such as Giggle Stock, JoJo's Juice, Kids Say the Darndest Things, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, and Jimmy Kimmel Live. Her family's YouTube channel All in the Foley Fam features vlogs, challenges, pranks, and family content. Ava also runs her personal YouTube channel Ava Foley, where she shares makeup, fashion, and personal updates. Ava has acted in films including I Am a Sucker for You and We Got the Power. Ava's mother, Michelle Foley, is a fashion designer who co-owns a children's clothing line called The Wild Threads with Everleigh's mother. Ava's fashion sense has been featured in Vogue Australia, and she has worked on campaigns such as Kardashian Kids. Ava Foley is admired for her early start and achievements in dance, acting, and social media, inspiring many young talents. She is also known for her close family ties with friendship with Everleigh Soutas. In acting, Ava has appeared in short films and series such as Everleigh Opens Toys, Giggle Stock, and Tida's Let's Play, showcasing her on-screen talent. Her modeling career includes features in Vogue Australia and the campaign for Kardashian Kids, solidifying her status as a child fashion icon.